Hello guys, I buying a new dumpling because my two dumpling just broken. I showered that. Okay, this is the new dumpling. I wish I can get that. And I'm mirror. Okay, let's unbox it. If I get the golden dumpling, I need to have a kill there. Okay, you first look. I wish I can that. It's so beautiful. If it's little, you first look. What is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the golden. It's the golden. It's the golden dumpling. Oh my god. It's the golden dumpling. Look. It's the golden dumpling. Oh my god. It's a golden dumpling. I'm gonna check that later, but I need to kill one if I have there. Okay, let's go in. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna play. This is the new avatar. I have a new ice rank here. I have that new. The ice, if you touch me and I'm gonna pling there. But the old people don't have, and I have the ice. Okay, bye-bye.